CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4, given a scenario, configure and use web browser features. Browser Profile Synchronization. Have you ever switched from your laptop to your phone and wanted your bookmarks, saved passwords, or open tabs to follow you? With modern web browsers, they can, thanks to a feature called Profile Synchronization. Profile Synchronization allows your browsing data to stay consistent across multiple devices. Whether you're checking something at home, at work, or on the go, your web experience stays familiar and personalized. Let's break it down. When you sign into a browser using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account, the browser creates a user profile that can be synchronized to other devices. This profile stores your preferences, browsing history, extensions, saved passwords, bookmarks, autofill info, and even your open tabs. Once synchronization is turned on, anything you do on one device can show up on another. For example, you could bookmark an article on your desktop and finish reading it later on your phone. Or start filling out a form on your tablet and pick up where you left off on your laptop. This makes working across multiple devices smooth and seamless. Synchronization is especially useful in environments where users switch between devices often, like students using school laptops and home computers, or remote workers using both personal and company devices. To manage synchronization settings, simply go into your browser's Profile or Settings menu. There, you can choose what to synchronize, like only bookmarks and history, or turn off synchronization entirely if you prefer more privacy. Just remember, synchronization makes things easier, but only do it on devices you trust. If you're on a public or shared computer, make sure to sign out when you're done to protect your data. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.